Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a midweek update of how I'm getting on with my weight loss journey. So the week has started okay so far. I'm off work at the moment on annual leave, so there's a little bit more of temptation when it comes to food. What I've found is when I'm at work or when I'm out and about, I don't worry about food so much, so it's easy to stick to my routine of fasting and then breaking my fast later on. But obviously with being at home and the kids on holiday, it's a bit harder. So this is where discipline definitely has to kick in. I've been all right so far. So when I felt peckish or when I felt like I want to eat something, I've gone for something that is very low calorie, just to satiate that temptation. But I haven't indulged, so to speak, so that's been good so far. This week, what I decided to focus on with regards to new good habits is drinking more water. Now, I'm terrible with drinking water. I'm a lot better than I used to be though. Before I used to go literally a day, 2 days without drinking any water. Used to drink a lot of juice. But now I would choose water first before anything else. I'm still not drinking as much as I should. The daily recommendation is 2 liters. I'll probably say I'm maximum hitting about 1.5. So I still have a bit more work to do there. And I just need to keep reminding myself. I use an app on my phone as well called Lose Weight. It's an app that I use just to monitor how much I'm drinking. That app reminds me every once in a while to just grab some water to drink. So that's helping, although sometimes it's annoying. I just switch it off. But I need to do a bit better than that and drink more water. Tips I would give with regards to that is probably flavor it. So you could drop in 1 strawberry or a slice of lime or lemon if you're not a water person like me. And you tend to drink a lot more if it's slightly flavored. And obviously with strawberries, it's low glycemic, so you're not spiking your drink with sugar or anything like that. So I would recommend going for a slice of fruit in your water than diluting it with a drink or something like that. When it comes to the food that I'm eating this week, I haven't been as prepared as I should or as I normally would be because I'm at home on annual leave, as I said. So I haven't done as much prep as I should. So I haven't really been able to stick to keto as much as I would like or as much as I initially planned to. My 2 main meals that I cooked for the week for myself have been keto, so that's been all right. And when I have eaten carbs, I have tried to stick to less than 50 grams a day. So that's what I've been doing so far. If you're interested in the recipes that I did for the 2 meals, I will put the recording of me cooking the food at the end of this video, and you can jump to it by clicking on the timestamp in the description box below. So far so good. I've been able to stick to 1,000 calories or less, which is what I target to do every day. I have calculated this based on my weight at the moment and my target weight, as well as the fact that I am sedentary at the moment, meaning that I'm not doing any exercise. So that is how I've calculated how many calories I'm eating. If you want to know how I calculate my daily calories, just let me know in the comments below. The key thing to note here is to be as flexible on yourself as possible. Yes, you have targets that you might want to hit, but don't be too rigid on yourself, because if you do that, you're more likely to give up. So I listen to my body. So if I'm feeling hungry and after drinking some water, I still feel like I want to eat, I will eat. I'm not being so strict or rigid on myself. If you are going to eat, make healthier choices, make the right choices, and have it around you. Have the right foods around you so you're not tempted to make the wrong choices. So I will continue to focus on drinking water as the habit I want to get used to at the moment before I move on to any new things. The next thing will probably be what exercise I'm going to stick to. I'm really keen on swimming. I want to learn how to swim and let that be, my thing that I do. I love being in water, but I can't swim as strong as I'd like. So that's what I hope to do, and I'm looking for someone that can teach me privately rather than in groups. I'll let you know how I get on with that, and if you want to find out more about my progress and how things are going on, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. The next upload will be on Sunday, and that will be my weigh-in as well as my measurements and how I got on for the rest of the week. So until then, see you, bye.